Palantir shares surging, Karen, over time as well. Joining us now is Gil Luria, DA Davidson Senior Research Analyst. Gil, want to get your thoughts on what we just got here from Palantir, because particularly on the U.S. commercial side, just trouncing expectations with very strong commentary, and it looks like outlook for 2024 with that growth expected to continue accelerating. Your thoughts?
Yeah, they've definitely cracked the code on how to translate their leadership in AI into the commercial business, starting with the U.S. They've started these AIP boot camps, which is an accelerated pilot to get some of their enterprise customers to figure out how to use AI in their current context with these new generative AI capabilities. And they've been able to do that very rapidly after producing a new product set about a year ago. They're now fully in stride in terms of getting enterprise customers to engage and adapt some of these products early.
Yeah, I wonder what your thoughts are on the fact that we now have a company that, from a GAAP earnings perspective, has been profitable for 5 quarters. They're growing their free cash flow based on, and particularly based on the forecast we have for 2024. And we did get commentary from executives, including Alex Karp, the CEO over there, that basically they're able to do more with less as they take these generative AI and software capabilities that they're offering to commercial and government customers, and they're applying them internally as well. How does that play out in terms of the cost savings and what that does for the profitability of this company?
Yeah, that is a very interesting aspect of adopting AI. This is a company that's led in the application of machine learning for more than 20 years. It's just a year ago that they started incorporating generative AI capabilities. Not only did they produce an external-facing product set for enterprise customers, as we just discussed, they're also using those tools internally, and they've embraced that internally. At the same time, they did what a lot of technology companies did last year, which is start reducing headcount while they were growing by taking it out of places where growth did no longer existed and refocusing it on places where growth was emerging, mostly around generative AI.
Now, I think, Gil, that I heard that Alex Karp, the CEO, told Morgan that the commercial momentum they were experiencing is going to help their government business. You pointed out that government business growth has been lower recently. Does that make sense to you? You have questions about that?
It will take longer. It's harder to take people out of government and put them in a boot camp or an AI boot camp to start embracing new applications. The process for government acquisition is a multi-year process, but they're well on their way. They already led in that regard in terms of building government applications, but this is a multi-year ramp. They're not going to be able to have an inflection point this year. They'll be able to sell one government at a time, one agency at a time, and ramp that up over time. But again, they already go into this as the leading dual-purpose software company for the government, and so they're in a very advantageous position. It's just unlikely that we'll see an inflection point this year in that business.